The well-known AI chatbot ChatGPT has revealed 3 original ways that AI can assist XRP in reaching its incredible $4 price goal this year. And how prudent is it to sell XRP that you have held for more than a year? In addition, media personality and XRP community member Zach Richter highlighted Chad Stengraber's fascinating theory about XRP's journey to $20,000, which sparked conversations within the community. Lastly, what are the important dates you should put on your calendar in the upcoming months as the protracted legal dispute between Ripple and the SEC approaches its conclusion? AI is revolutionizing several industries, and blockchain pioneers predict that shortly, this technology will be crucial to the development of Web3. However, we have used AI's predictive powers to shape public opinion and demonstrate how this technology may support the price of XRP. Initially, we inquired with ChatGPT about the feasibility of XRP reaching a $4 price point within the next 12 months. ChatGPT verified that this is feasible, in line with previous estimates, but subject to several restrictions, including those related to strategic positioning, targeted market influence, and regulatory effects. So how can AI assist in reaching this $4 objective? In terms of detail, ChatGPT was rather expressive. How XRP can use AI to reach its $4 price target this year. Initially, the AI chatbot thinks that strategically designed targeted marketing campaigns can influence market perceptions indirectly. Innovators can use AI in this way to examine sentiment and market trends. AI can assist in developing communication strategies that indirectly influence perceptions through subtle narratives, emphasizing positive developments, partnerships, or technological advancements, according to the chatbot. Because individual traders are the only means by which XRP can reach this remarkable milestone, ChatGPT identifies strategic positioning as a pivotal action that can bring this price point into existence. Without manipulating the market, traders can pinpoint distinct entry and exit moments, thereby supporting the possible rally with positivity. Finally, using regulatory arbitrage across many jurisdictions can help support the infrequent rally drive. In the end, the massive XRP transactions may move to areas with laws that minimize risks while supporting long-term growth. Even if ChatGPT's letter is upbeat, it's important to remember that growth in the cryptocurrency space can be very volatile and ultimately deviate from the projected path. XRP has increased by 2.5% during the last day to 63 cents. Notwithstanding the bold appeals, ChatGPT also released a warning, alerting investors to the possibility that manipulating market perception may potentially entail some risks they should take precautions to avoid. To be the first to know about new updates, remember to hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel. Regarding the most recent events concerning XRP, pro-XRP lawyer Jeremy Hogan recently released a statement that offered insightful advice to cryptocurrency lovers hoping to profit from the 2024 bull market. Pro-XRP lawyer Jeremy Hogan offered insightful advice for cryptocurrency lovers hoping to profit from the 2024 bull market in a recent statement. Hogan emphasized that while investors look to maximize earnings, strategic tax preparation is vital. Remember to plan for taxes in 2024 as you plot how to turn a profit and become crypto-rich, the attorney said. Interestingly, his speech was tailored to the American crypto community. The attorney advised cryptocurrency investors to think about how their investing plans may affect their taxes, concentrating on the length of token possessions. Hogan made the point that keeping a token for more than a year may lead to a better tax situation. Tokens held for more than a year are subject to long-term capital gains, which are taxed at a reduced rate of 15%, according to him. On the other hand, short-term gains on tokens kept for less than a year are subject to a higher 30% rate. Hogan also drew attention to a common practice among investors who sell XRP to invest in other tokens and then buy it back when they make money. This calculated move coincides with XRP's persistently disappointing price performance. For example, over the last 2 months, XRP has not produced appreciable benefits for its owners. Competitors such as Solana and Cardano are creating multimillionaire investors. The attorney who supported XRP pointed out that it would be profitable to temporarily exchange XRP for other assets. He did, however, highlight the possible drawbacks. In particular, Hogan noted that such on XRP, a trader loses their long-term tax status. They thereby subject themselves to 2 rates of short-term taxes. Hogan concluded his tweet with the words, "I'd rather pay less," implying that investors ought to put their long-term tax advantages ahead of giving in to fleetingly poor results. Stated differently, the experienced lawyer advises XRP investors to be aware of the unexpected tax ramifications of their trading choices. Additionally, the rector recognized the ambitious nature of a prognosis of $20,000. He said the notion might hold water. For an XRP to increase in value, but maybe not to $20,000. On December 30th, 2023, Stinggrabber, an XRP community game designer, modified this theory. Notably, the hypothesis skirts around several important issues, each of which presents a different angle on XRP's ascent to higher levels. In highlighting the idea of asset scarcity, Stinggrabber drew comparisons to an auction bid situation in which scarce assets lead to a demand-driven increase in value. He investigated the hypothesis that XRP's deflationary character and the projection of current prices into unrealized value raised the possibility of a large price increase. The theory used the Mona Lisa as an analogy to discuss the relevance of restricted assets. Stinggrabber emphasized the restricted supply of XRP. Less than 100 billion at the moment, and ledger transactions are the deflationary process. To put those who are unfamiliar with XRP in context, Stinggrabber pointed out that every XRPL transaction burns XRP. He explained that the current trading activity in a tiny public pool is the reason for XRP's seeming low value. The creator of the game contended that banks conduct trades through regulated custodians rather than open markets, highlighting their need for seclusion. Ripple payments, he pointed out, level the playing field for smaller businesses, signaling a departure from the planned usage of on-demand. The state of liquidity. The argument shifts to consider banks setting up private ledgers since he views XRP as a gold-like reserve currency. Stinggrabber brought attention to the possibility of minting bank-specific coins on exclusive XRPLs. He suggested that these institutions use Metaco, which Ripple controls, to request custody of their tokens. Stinggrabber stressed that if this came to be, there might be an international competition for banks to acquire and hold XRP, which would act as the token's reserve currency. According to the notion, if this race gets going, banks and liquidity centers might quickly deplete the supply of XRP available to the general public, sending prices skyrocketing. Due to their company's reliance on XRP, banks and billionaires may go on a major institutional buying binge. According to Stinggrabber, the XRP route to $20,000 also emphasizes the possible function of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, private lockups, and the development of nostro-vostro accounts into hubs of live liquidity. He envisions a future in which digital assets are essential. Although $20,000 is an unrealistic price target, analysts like Zach Richter have emphasized the validity of the theory and said that it might raise prices even if XRP fails to reach even $20,000. Which future dates are most important for the Ripple v. SEC lawsuit 2024 matchup? Now for our day's primary focus, what are the important future dates to remember for the 2024 trial of Ripple v. SEC lawsuit? Kindly remember to hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel to be the first to know about future developments regarding XRP. The 4th year of Ripple's torturous legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is about to begin. The SEC filed a lawsuit in December 2020 claiming that XRP is a security under American law and accusing Chris Larsen and Brad Garlinghouse, the founders of Ripple, of breaking securities laws. In the current year, Ripple has achieved noteworthy successes. First, a U.S. district court determined that XRP traded in blind bid-ask transactions by regular investors did not qualify as a securities transaction, and it upheld that ruling. The significant decision made in July resulted in XRP being relisted on several exchanges and pushing the cryptocurrency to a record high for the year. Furthermore, the SEC withdrew from its ongoing lawsuits against Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson in October, which was a shocking change of events. Giving up on that front gave rise to expectations that the regulator would finally work with Ripple to settle in the upcoming months. The court's July decision also confirmed that direct sales of XRP by Ripple to institutional investors may be considered securities transactions. Therefore, it may take some time for a resolution of this kind to be reached. The focus will be on the topic at hand. They serve as the foundation for a resolution that benefits all sides. Court records show important dates that holders of XRP should be aware of during the first quarter of 2024 as the lawsuit continues. The first important date to pay attention to is February 12, 2024, following a brief break. This is the date that the court has set for both parties to finish discovery about remedies. Through this procedure, Ripple and the SEC would have been able to discuss potential fixes and approaches to ending their ongoing disagreement. On March 13, 2024, the SEC is anticipated to submit its remedies brief, and on April 12, 2024, Ripple will submit its opposition. The SEC will then have until April 29, 2024, to respond to any criticism that Ripple may raise. If this stage of the legal procedure is completed successfully, Ripple and the SEC may be able to intensify their litigation. According to Ripple's legal team, a settlement will most likely occur in 2024. The price of XRP is still the subject of much speculation over the possible effects of a complete settlement between Ripple and the SEC. How the price of cryptocurrencies will respond to such a historic event is something that only time will tell. Now, please share your opinions with me in the comments section. Please be sure to hit the notification bell, like the video, and remember to subscribe. This is a huge assistance for the YouTube algorithm. Additionally, by spreading the word about this video to as many people as you can aid in enlightening others in the same way that you have been enlightened. Let's get this news out there, guys. If you truly love cryptocurrencies, make sure to read all of our articles. We'll talk about the newest developments tomorrow. It affects the community as a whole.